What's up, everybody? My name is Halo, and in this video, we are going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I already started playing this game a little tiny bit, and it's actually really fun. So, making honey and getting bees to create a hive as beautiful as this one right here. I already played this game before, and I got as high as, I got like 40 bees, but I decided to start all over again. So, we should go to Black Bear and see what types of quests he can give us. And yes, Black Bear, I would do that just for you. Anyways, let's go to, blueberry flower. Let's go to blue flower field. And, let's start collecting pollen. Ow, ow, ow. That really hurt. Let's actually get the ticket and I'll start, grinding for the... Okay, we are at the halfway point, and let's keep on grinding with my shop. Oh, we got a blueberry. Our backpack is full, so let's go back to our hive and start grinding here again. Anyways, let's start. Still making honey. Okay, let's go back and keep on grinding. And our honey of the day. Our honey of the day is honey, 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 and the dispenser gives us 500 honey. What's the 5 haste speed? We shall use the power of 6 times speed, or anymore, but we shall use the power of our focus times 1. Okay, our quest is almost done. We just need to collect 300 more pollen, and, feels like the shock bee has been quit. Okay, we are almost done. We are almost done. And. What is my voice today? Anyways, we nearly completed it. Nearly completed it. My gosh, we are literally 200 pollen away. I just need to click once. Anyways, let's go back to, collecting blue flowers. Right here. This is all we need to do. Boom. You see how easy that was? We didn't even need to go to a blue flower field. Anyways, let's go back to Bear. And from Black Bear, we got 750 honey. So I decided that we shall go to the shop once again, because we need a new, as you call it, a collector. So it feels like I should get the scissors or I should get the magnet. I'm not sure what I can buy. I can almost afford the magnet, so why not just buy the magnet? So I just need to make a little tiny bit of honey, and we're good. Okay, I am back, and go back to the shop. As I said, I can afford the magnet, so let's buy the magnet, and look, got a magnet. I got a magnet. Sucks. Anyways, we got a magnet, and see what type of quest Black Bear gives us. Also, let's speed. Boom. You, shock bee, you shall be our bee. Anyways, let's go back to Black. And this is a big bug, because there is bugs. Ha 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 ha. So I'm gonna actually collect these big bugs. What? I guess I'm gonna grind here a little bit. These big bugs are kind of rare, so let me start grinding here. And look how fast. We're so fast. We're speed. We're dream. Let's Select pollen from mushroom field and ignore that I took it instinct for. Did I get a B? I should get a B. And let's put it in our hive because extra B, extra stuff. No. The leaf went away, so we got. Anyways, the leaf is back. Collect the leaf. Now we got a strawberry. Big brain. And a ladybug. If there's any goodies. There is no goodies in here. No. Anyways, got a clover and a blue flower field, and I'm still grinding. No. Ha ha ha, you've been smacked by a looker bee. Anyways, I'll keep collecting. Help me, bee! Kill them! Shock bee! Kill ladybug! Looker bee! Killed rhino beetle! Cause you're the strongest one here. Bro, why are you not killing ladybug? I'm dying here. Help! Help! Someone help! Ah! He's been dead. Excuse me! And let's keep waiting to grind. There's a pro player! No way! Yes! Pro player! Alright, let's get a new beat. I have got a new place from here. Yes, place. And you shall be fed strawberry and a blueberry. My bees, you shall rise to an army of the pros! Anyways, let's get back to grinding. I gotta... come on, I gotta make more honey? Ever noticed that Magna actually can like speak or it's done. Let's go back to Black Bear. And if you are a noob like me at the game, there's one place you haven't played the game. There's one place that is just a loot spot. And yeah. But first, we need to go to Black Bear. And we have 1,000 honey and 1 silver egg. So, let's see what the silver egg has to offer. It can hatch to a rare, epic, legendary, or mythic. It better be a mythic or a legendary. And hatch. Another looker bee. Another flippin' looker bee. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the new place, and the new place, the stick shop, place. I mean, it's not really new. It's kind of old. Okay, it's really old. And there's a one Logan 22. Anyways, so you go over here where Black Bear is, and you go into this. So it's like a maze, but not as a maze. So if you take a right over here, then take a right and then a left, you actually get some jelly beans. Actually, don't use this at the start of the game because that's going to be a big waste. And then let's go to this other corridor, which should have probably nothing. I know it's going to have nothing. Oh dear. Oh! There's a 5 take it. Because this is the hit. And then the last one is all the way over here. And there shall be. This is 1, 2, 3, Logan 22. Say hi. 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 There. No. Food, come back. 1, 2, 3. Something. Come back. Logan 22. Come back. And there's a royal jelly up here. Let's grab this royal jelly. Royal jelly something. Royal jelly, my basic beat. And we got an exhaust. And yeah, pretty good, but let's get another beacon. Can afford? Let's just make honey. Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. It's probably gonna be, thanks for 45 subscribers. Thank you. Okay, bye.